Thank you very much. It is my great honor today to address this G20 summit. This is my first summit. Your Excellency, President of the Federative Republic of Brazil, Mr. Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, esteemed leaders of the G20, heads of international organizations, distinguished invitees. I would like to express our sincere gratitude and highest appreciation to President Lula for his leadership and his guidance in advancing the aspirations of the Global South at the G20 this year. I would like also to emphasize and to commend President Lula for putting poverty and hunger as the focal point of this G20 session. I myself have just been elected president of the fourth largest country in the world. We have the fourth largest population. Therefore, hunger and poverty is for us a real issue, a day-to-day matter. We have still sizable percentage of our people below the poverty line. We also have 25% of our children going hungry every day. I was elected on the issue of poverty and hunger. Therefore, I'm very happy to be involved in this G20 summit. For countries like Indonesia, to overcome poverty and hunger is a matter of vital national interest. Therefore, in my budget, I spend a very high percentage for education because I believe that education will bring us out of poverty. Education can bring better life for our people. Free meals for our children is a vital part of our strategy. This is also part of empowering our young to be able to grasp the benefits of education. Hunger, we are very optimistic that we can overcome hunger in Indonesia. I plan to overcome food shortage in 3 years. We will be self-sufficient in 4 years. And in 5 years, we are confident we can contribute to the Global Alliance Against Poverty and Hunger. Distinguished guests, economic issues cannot be separated from geopolitical affairs and geopolitical issues. We have discussed the role of conflict in the present international landscape. Indonesia supports the Global South, and we also urge all countries of the G20 to address the issue of conflict. We urge urgently immediate ceasefire in Ukraine and in Gaza. Let us not hesitate to go forward and urge the participants in the region to achieve this ceasefire. For us, this is vital for the achievement of peace and stability. Only by peace and stability we can overcome poverty and hunger. We also urge countries of the G20 to use their collective strengths to strengthen multilateral efforts on this issue. Thank you.